That was so hard.
All right, so the goblet squat challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and put a counter on this video. I'll do that later in the editing, but this was quite a challenge. And basically I wanted to go over a few quick rules as we get this progressed. But basically what you're gonna do, either a 50-pound dumbbell if you are a male or a 35-pound dumbbell if you are a female. You are going to keep it at your chest, and you can either hold it kind of in the grip position like this, or you can hold it like this. And that's what I'm doing in the video here. And one of the rules for this challenge is that you need to keep the entire dumbbell above your belly button the whole time. So if it sinks downwards, basically showing that you're kind of giving up at that point, that doesn't count, and at that point you won't do it. And in addition to that, we want to get our thighs at least parallel to the ground, so we can have a full standard deep squatting pattern that everyone can try this challenge out for themselves. So yeah, that's simply all there is to it. At that point, you're just gonna grip it, rip it, and go. You can hold it as long as you want to at the top. So you could literally do 10 repetitions, hold it for 1 minute, 10 repetitions, hold it for 1 minute. It doesn't matter. This isn't about time. It's about how many squats you can do, goblet squats with the dumbbell. And however long it happens for you, however long it happens. Obviously, the longer you have that thing in your overall front rack position, or the kettlebell front rack position, dumbbell front rack position, I should say, it's gonna be even harder, and that's gonna fatigue the heck out of your arms and shoulders. And that's actually why I chose this too, instead of just doing a back squat, because there's a lot of upper body activation with your biceps and your shoulders, on top of course, your legs working as well. Yeah, I'm getting into this. You can see me starting to fade a little bit. It's getting tough, getting tough. I'm also doing this barefoot too. That will require a little bit more ankle flexibility. So if you can't get into a full deep squat position, you can actually elevate your heels a little bit. I have a video where I show Slantboard squats. Actually, I'll go ahead and link that right now at the top for you, so you can check that out. But all in all, when it comes to this exercise, it's working full body. It's working full body, and you don't and shouldn't do this challenge every single day like this. I think I'm coming to the end here, just burning out. Originally, the goal with this was actually just to try to get 100 and just quit there. And I thought I got 100. We're approaching it here. If you've been counting too, let me know. I appreciate that. I had my little brother count this for me, and I watched this video like 3 times. All said and done here, we're looking good, looking good. Quite a burn. We're feeling it after this. The next day I wasn't too sore though. The next day too wasn't too sore. You see, I still got some decent fatigue. I think at some point I just got kind of bored too, but this is an absolute torture. So do this with some friends. Make sure you comment down below actually how many squat repetitions you got, and whether you're male, female. If you needed to do the regression of elevating your heels, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how many you did. Man, we're keep going here. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. If you've never tried goblet squats too, probably not the best idea to do this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Join me for just a little bit of pain, a little bit of fun, and I'd love to see how y'all did.